Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Kia Optima cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side and remove everything inside. Next, you'll need to detach the small dampener arm on the right side. Then, gently push in on both sides of the glove box to release the two stopper tabs, allowing it to swing down further. This gives you access to the filter housing. With the glove box fully open, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. There are usually two clips on either side. Unclip these to remove the cover. Now, you can gently pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Take a moment to notice the airflow arrow printed on the side of the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Now take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Replace the housing cover and clip it firmly into place. Finally, reattach the two stopper tabs by pushing the glove box sides inward, then reconnect the dampener arm. Give your glove box a quick test to make sure it opens and closes smoothly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. You should immediately notice improved air quality and better HVAC performance in your vehicle. For an even cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.